us on the state of their preparedness, and we are happy with the preparations that have been put in place by IEBC to hold the fresh presidential elections on the 26th of October. They have briefed us that they have already identified all the suppliers that they need. They are in the process of training their staff and preparing the elections in accordance with the Constitution and the law. They have told us that they will pay special attention to the directions that were given to the IEBC by the Supreme Court with respect to the management of presidential elections. They have briefed us that at the moment there is staff training going on around the country in preparations for the 26th of October. They did ask us for the requirements of agents from our end, and we have informed them that we are completing the identification of the 41,000 agents that will help in the management of this election, and that by end of this week we will submit our list of agents so that we can begin to establish the understanding that is necessary and required between agents and the IEBC staff that will together be engaged in the management of the election. As you are all aware, and we have informed the Commission, that is the IEBC Commission, as a party, we have no conditions, we have no minimum conditions, we have no irreducible minimum conditions. We are ready for this election. We believe in the independence of IEBC as an institution to manage the elections, deriving its mandate from the Constitution. We are confident that we have men and women in there who have the capacity and the intellect to manage this election. We have clearly told them it is not in our purview, and neither do we share the responsibility to identify suppliers of whatever material that is required for this election. And it is not part of our responsibility to train their staff, to employ their staff, or to fire any member of staff. It is, as per Constitution, their responsibility. We have also agreed that on any of the other matters, we have institutions that have the responsibility, constitutional institutions that have responsibility over all the other matters that are of concern either to IEBC or to our competitors, and those other institutions can be engaged if indeed there could be any matters that are required. We have agreed finally with the IEBC that the rest of us will now hit the campaign trail, and that we will meet again here, possibly after the 26th. And this time round, I have asked them that when we come for the certificate here, I hope we wouldn't have the kind of issues we've had. And it is our best wish that that happens. Thank you very much. Did I forget anything?
No.